Morning Yoga for Beginners. Energize your day. Good morning, beautiful souls. Sun with face, whether you're just waking up or need a little extra boost to get your day started, today's practice is perfect for you. Let this morning be a celebration of your body, mind, and spirit. I'm here to guide you through 5 easy yoga exercises that are gentle yet effective for waking up your body, calming your mind, and getting energized for the day ahead. These moves are simple and accessible for beginners and anyone looking to feel more relaxed, refreshed, and focused. And don't worry, no equipment required. Just your yoga mat, some comfortable clothes, and a positive attitude. Before we start, take a second to check in with yourself. Acknowledge this moment and all the possibilities the day holds for you. Breathe in deeply and out slowly. Close your eyes and set a heartfelt intention for today's practice. Maybe it's to feel energized, peaceful, or simply more flexible. Whatever you choose, let it guide you. Ready to begin? Let's dive right into our first move. Starting your day with mindful breathing is like greeting yourself with a warm embrace. It centers you, aligning your intentions with your actions. Inhale deeply through your nose. Hold briefly at the peak of your breath, and exhale gently through your mouth. Feel your breath washing over you, clearing your mind and awakening your senses. Repeat a few rounds of this breathwork, letting it bring awareness to your body. All right, let's start moving. Our first exercise will help loosen up your spine and shoulders, a great way to start your morning feeling more flexible and ready to embrace the day ahead. Let's start with the cat-cow stretch, a gentle flow to awaken your spine and release tension in your back. Start on all fours. Your wrists should be directly under your shoulders and your knees under your hips. Get comfortable here, feeling grounded. As you inhale, arch your back, drop your belly toward the floor, and lift your chest and tailbone toward the sky, cow pose. Exhale, round your spine, tuck your chin to your chest, and draw your belly button toward your spine, cat pose. Flow between these poses, syncing your breath with each movement. Inhale as you arch, exhale as you round. This will gently wake up your spine and shoulders, releasing any stiffness from the night. Savor each transition, letting the energy of your breath guide you. Move with intention, feeling every part of the stretch as you breathe. Next, let's move into downward dog, a pose renowned for stretching the entire body. It's especially beneficial for the hamstrings, calves, and back. From a tabletop position, with hands and knees on the floor, tuck your toes and lift your hips toward the sky, forming an inverted V shape. Press your hands into the floor, reaching your heels toward the mat. Don't worry if they don't touch yet. Instead, feel the stretch along the back of your legs as you gradually build flexibility. Keep your neck relaxed, your head between your arms, focusing toward your thighs. Hold this pose for a few deep breaths. Feel your strength in this pose as it energizes your whole body, preparing you for whatever the day may bring. Now let's come into a low lunge to open your hips and stretch your legs, paving the way for greater mobility. Step one foot forward between your hands, aligning your knee above your ankle. Keep your back knee on the mat, gently pressing your hips forward. Feel the stretch in your hip flexors and thighs. Optionally, raise your arms overhead for an extra chest stretch. Hold this lunge for several deep breaths, maintaining openness in your chest and relaxation in your shoulders. This pose encourages you to embrace the flow of energy within, fostering flexibility and balance. Next, let's ease into a seated forward fold, ideal for stretching your hamstrings and lower back. Sit with legs extended straight. Flex your feet, toes pointing skyward. Inhale to lengthen your spine. As you exhale, gently fold forward, reaching toward your feet, ankles, or shins. Relax into the stretch, focusing on lengthening rather than forcing. Let this pose become a moment of calm, inviting gentle awareness into every breath you take. Finally, we'll end with child's pose, bringing relaxation and tranquility to your body and mind. Sit back on your heels, bringing your forehead to the mat, stretching your arms forward. Relax entirely, breathing deeply, releasing tension from your shoulders, neck, and back. Allow each exhale to soften your body further. That's it. You've just completed 5 easy yoga exercises to kickstart your morning. How do you feel? Energized? Relaxed? I hope you're ready to embrace the day with a clear mind and an invigorated body. If you enjoyed this session, don't forget to like the video and leave a comment with your thoughts. You can subscribe and hit the notification bell for more inspiring yoga routines. Thank you for practicing with me today. See you in our next session.